Okay, friends and neighbors.
BNSF detector. Milepost 139.8.6.
That's just dandy. I believe last time I was through here, that was a unit train with tank cars. It said Canadian Pacific, that's the Union Pacific line, or Canadian National, whatever, CN or CP. That's the Union Pacific line right there. Buffer cars between the hazmats. Brand new cars they look like. Look at them blue centerpieces. Union Pacific, UP. Well, this is just a dandy space.
BNSF, Pacific 264 West, BNSF 3743. Yeah, I got some tracking time ahead of you up at CP223, so you're going to see some delay. But while I'm talking to you, what motor are you linked to for your DPO? Alright, thank you. Sandpoint.
Well, okay, friends and neighbors, we got one going each way. We're gonna cut this off and wait a little while longer, man. This is a dandy space. Okay, friends and neighbors, I've sit here a while. We got two here, but and I hear a lot of chatter on the radio, but I believe they're going along the lake where we was, and there's another main line back behind us. I'll put a picture of the rail lines in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. We got some pretty good trains here on this diamond. Happy we got some. So I'll go see about getting these uploaded so you can enjoy them.